Well, we've driven the truck up to where the moose is, and nicely it's on the side of this little logging road. And there's a very happy wife, happy to get a fine animal like this one. Looks good. Yeah, looks really good. This will be some fine eating. We're gonna take everything from this guy. It's early in the day. We can take our time. The weather's cool. Managed to drive the truck right up here. You know, we hunted a lot. We hunted a lot in the lodgepole area and stuff. We didn't see anything for days. And that's the way it is with hunting sometimes. You don't see nothing, but we kept on talking to people. And some of them oil patch workers are some of the best resources as long as they're being truthful with you. So got kind of a tip off that this is a better area because the place where we used to hunt was very burned out. And the animal population seems to have changed. Like we didn't even see deer there. So we went here on a suggestion, and sure enough, this first morning we came in, we got up at 6 in the morning in the wall tent and didn't make coffee or breakfast or nothing, just threw the Coleman stove into the truck and off we went. Then we got down to around this area here, we pulled off to the side and just started making ourselves breakfast. So made up some coffee first, some cowboy coffee. We're drinking the coffee and she decides to make us some grilled cheese. So she's just finished cooking up the grilled cheese. We got the grilled cheese in our hand. I haven't even taken a bite yet. And we both see these moose. So, doggone, that changed everything right there. Never did find my grilled cheese after that. I don't know. I probably threw it away somewhere. But well worth the sacrifice, I would say.
Yeah. But we started off really early.
Yeah. So you're happy, aren't you?
Yeah.
Everybody we know from back home was been getting their moose and blah blah blah, and we haven't got ours yet. So
yeah.
Now
it was the end of our hunting trip.
Mm-hmm.
We were going to give it one more day.
Yeah. Then we ran into a couple out here too, just afterwards, Mike and Marcia. So Mike and Marcia, if you're watching this, you know you follow our channel, put a comment down in the comment section and say hi. Yeah, very nice couple.
It's good to see a couple hunting.
Yeah,
it is.
Yeah, we like to hunt as couples too.
It's a blessing to people like that are interested in hunting. That makes it worthwhile.
Yeah. Well, yeah, we spent what is it? This is our 4th day out here. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday now. So we kind of difficult sleeping on the cot and stuff, and have to get up several times in the night and put more wood on the wood stove and stuff like that. But you know, you gotta go through a little bit of hardship, right? It's not meant to be easy. Although it does seem to get a little more difficult the older you get.
Yeah.
This is here is 73 and I'm 69. So
that's gonna take
we're just grateful that we can still do this stuff at our age, because there will come a time where we'll need more help as time goes along. What we got to do is we got to start processing this animal, and I'll try to record some parts here showing you some of the stuff we take out of it. You might find that interesting. Nice being married to a native woman. Did you like this video? If you did, I think you're gonna like this one right over here. So check it out. And I appreciate your subscribing if you haven't done so already. Remember to do that while you're watching this next video. Click like, it all helps us out for this channel. Catch you next time.